because a big boy will hopefully he calms it down before he really does make landfall, because nobody wants a big bad hurricane, another one, after we're still recovering from Florence. A lot of areas are still trying to get back on their feet after that one.
Yeah, and hurricane watches are in effect for parts of the Gulf Coast, Dane. For us here, we're dealing with flash flood watches and warnings this morning. Again, if you live in Platte County, including the city of Platte City, you'll want to listen up because we're still under that flash flood warning until 7 a.m. because of the additional 1 to 3 inches of rain you've gotten since the overnight hours, so keep that in mind. For the city of St. Joseph, including Buchanan, Davis, DeKalb counties, you're still under that flash flood watch through 7 a.m. And it's not over for us just yet with this heavy rainfall event. If you live in Andrew, Atchison, Holt, Nottoway counties, you're under a flood watch through 7 a.m. Wednesday. That's because we're still going to get additional rainfall amounts over the next 24 to 48 hours. And it's still, if you live in the Missouri River area, you are under a flood warning through Wednesday night because this heavy rainfall amounts, this is just what we've been getting the last 48 hours, anywhere from 3 to 5 inches across the KQ2 viewing area. And these are projected rainfall amounts through Thursday morning. I am thinking we're still going to get another 2 to 3 inches of rain alone. The soil's already saturated enough as it is. So with the 3 to 5 inches of rain we've already gotten, and with the additional 2 to 3 inches of rain, this is going to cause a big concern for some flooding, especially if you live in low-lying areas near the Missouri River. So keep that in mind over the next several days. Now, for October 8th, we're already at over 3 inches of rain. That's a surplus of over 2.5 inches of rain for this month alone. We're already catching up with rainfall totals. We're already over 16 inches. We're still almost 14 below average for this time of the year, but again, I always talk about it. I'd rather have us little rain events every week than one big rain event all at once, but unfortunately, it is happening to us. And I want you to take this very seriously. Again, I always talk about it. Turn around, don't drown. I always tell you about the rules of 6, 2, and 1 when it comes to flash flooding. 6 inches of water alone can sweep a person off their feet. 1 foot of water alone can float a vehicle, and 2 feet of water can sweep it away, including SUVs. Half of deaths in flash flooding alone comes when people try to drive through flooded roadways. So again, if you encounter any flooded roadways over the next several days, don't try to think you can beat it. Turn around and just find an alternate route. Look at all this rain that we've been getting this morning. You can see the rain falling over our KQ2 tower camera. You can see the cloudy skies and the misty conditions. So take your time to get to work and school this morning. Our KQ2 high resolution max satellite and radar has been picking up the thick clouds and the light to heavy amounts of rain this morning. We're still getting on our sweeping radar some yellow to orange colors. That's indicating some moderate to heavy rain over Plattsburgh, up the I-35 corridor into Cameron, St. Joseph. You're seeing some moderate rainfall right now into places like Maryville, Mount City, Grant City. You're seeing some lighter rain amounts right now indicated by the green colors, but this is not over for us just yet. We have a major storm system that is developing over the central U.S. You can see the low pressure system indicated by the clockwise flow. You can see the cold front. You can see the warm front. You can also see these blue colors over Colorado and Wyoming. That is snow. We're not going to get that. Don't worry. We're just still going to get some heavy rain over the next several days. Now, I am expecting temperatures today for your Monday to go up to above average for a high of 80 degrees, which is 10 degrees above average of our average high of 70 degrees before we start going down to average to below average temperatures heading into the second half of the work week once this cold front pushes through. But let's take a closer look in your hour-by-hour forecast for the rain for today. Again, I am expecting us to still get some heavy rain, especially in our northern counties through the late morning hours. By 9 o'clock, Rockport, Maryville, into Mount City, you could still see some lighter colors. Heading into the lunchtime hour, cloudy skies with some light sprinkles overall. But heading into the 5 o'clock hour, our western cities, Rockport, Falls Falls City, Hiawatha, you'll start seeing the heavy rain start picking up again, indicated by the orange to the red colors. It's going to continue through 8 o'clock into Maryville, Mount City, into St. Joseph, including into the 10 o'clock hour, into the midnight hour for Maysville, into Bethany, the I-35 corridor, and then into Tuesday morning, we'll see additional rain. You will need the umbrella for your Tuesday before all is said and done, as we're going to be getting some widespread rain chances for your Tuesday with near average temperatures. Then we'll finally start seeing the rain move out on Wednesday, Dane, and then behind it we'll see dry conditions but below average temperatures for not only into Wednesday but into the weekend. Temperatures only in the lower to upper 50s before more rain chances move in Friday into Saturday.
Especially as it gets colder, thank you, Vanessa. There are some groups